Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through how to upload a Shopify theme using a zip file. This is useful when you have downloaded or purchased a custom theme outside the Shopify Theme Store. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store. This will expand a few more options. Click on Themes. You'll now see your current live theme at the top of the page. Scroll down to the section called Theme Library. Look for a button labeled Add Theme. Click on it, and a small drop-down will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Zip File. Now a window will appear asking you to choose a file. Click the Choose File button and browse your computer for the zip file that contains your Shopify theme. Make sure it is a zip file. Shopify only accepts theme uploads in zip format. Once you select your zip file, click the Upload File button. Shopify will begin uploading and processing the theme. After the upload is complete, the new theme will appear in your theme library. It will not be live yet. To make it your live theme, click the Publish button next to the uploaded theme. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Click Publish again to complete the process.